Hi guys! Welcome back to Bonus Kitchen. Today, we will make pastel. Pastel is a soft bun with custard filling originating from the province of Camiguin in the Philippines. Let's get baking! For the dough, we will need 3.5 cups of bread flour. You can also use plain flour, 1/2 cup of fresh milk or evaporated milk, 2 tablespoons of white sugar for the yeast, 1/2 cup of granulated white sugar for the dough, 1/2 cup of shortening, 3 egg yolks, 1/4 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 packet of active dry yeast or 7 grams. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. To start, we will activate our yeast. Combine sugar to the milk and yeast and mix them together. Set this aside for about 5 to 10 minutes or until it becomes bubbly. Now, add the sugar into the flour and the salt and whisk them together. In a bowl, add the wet ingredients, water, egg yolks, and the yeast mixture. Mix them together. Now, add the flour. Knead this for about 8 to 10 minutes using the number 2 setting. While kneading, slowly add the shortening. If your dough is too sticky, just add more flour, around 1 tablespoon at a time, until the dough is not sticking into the bottom. Just like this one. Now, we will take this off. Shape the dough into a ball and transfer it into a bowl lightly greased with oil. Then, cover it with tea towel. Let this rise for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. For the custard or Yema filling, we will need 1 can of condensed milk, 1/4 cup of fresh milk or evaporated milk, 1/8 cup of unsalted butter, 3 egg yolks, 2 teaspoons of cornflour diluted in 2 teaspoons of water, and vanilla extract. In a pan over low heat, add the condensed milk, egg yolk, milk, vanilla extract, cornstarch, and the butter. Mix them together. Cook this until it becomes thick. I think this is already ready. Once cooked, set this aside and let it cool. While we are waiting for our dough to rise, we will grease our cupcake pans with butter. Our dough has already doubled in size. Now, place it onto the work surface. Cut it in half and set aside the other half. Form into a log and cut it into 12 pieces and shape them into a ball. Flatten the dough using a rolling pin, or you can also use your hands. And then scoop about 1 teaspoon of the custard filling or the Yema filling and put it into the center of the dough. And cover it. And then pinch it. And roll it. And transfer it into the greased cupcake pan. Cover the dough with tea towel and let it rise again for about 30 minutes. Now is the time to preheat the oven to 150 degrees Celsius. Before baking, we will brush the buns with egg wash. I just beat 1 egg. So brush the top. Bake this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the top are golden brown. Here's our finished product! This pastel is perfect for your hot coffee or hot chocolate. Let's cut it open. It's really soft. I hope you're going to try this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!